Today our topic is excretion. Then what is the meaning of excretion? Excretion is elimination of metabolic waste, or we can say nitrogenous waste from the body. So what is the excretion? Elimination of metabolic waste, or we can say nitrogenous waste from the body. Example is ammonia, urea, uric acid. All these are nitrogenous waste. Then what is the difference between excretion and egestion? Now, egestion. Removal of undigested waste from the body is known as egestion, or we can say defecation, right? Now we are talking about nitrogenous waste. Then what is the nitrogenous waste? Nitrogenous waste is, now we will discuss about nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste, or we can say metabolic waste. Various metabolic activities which take place inside the living organism. All activities are chemical reactions. Several end products are formed. These are harmful or not useful to the body, is known as nitrogen waste, or we can say metabolic waste. Then we're talking about what is the excretory product in animals. So excretory product in animal. On the basis of excretory product in animals are categorized into three parts. First is a monotelic animal. Second is ureotelic animals and uricotelic animals. On the basis of excretory product, animals are categorized into three parts: a monotelic animals, ureotelic animals and uricotelic animals. On the basis of difference, first is on the basis of excretory product. On the basis of excretory product, a monotelic animal excrete ammonia, or we can say ammonia as excretory product. And in ureotelic, urea as excretory product. And in ureotelic, uric acid is. So on the basis of excretory product, ammoniotelic has ammonia as excretory product, ureotelic urea as excretory product, and uricotalic uric acid as excretory product. Second difference between these are on the basis of toxicity. Ammonia is highly toxic, or we can say ureotalic. Ureotalic is less toxic than ammonia. Less toxic than ammonia. And ureotalic is least toxic. Then third one is on the basis of solubility. On the basis of solubility, a monotalic is highly soluble in water. Highly soluble in water. And ureotalic is less soluble in water. And ureotalic is least soluble in water. Least soluble in water. Then example of monotalic. Example: aquatic animals, amoeba, and paramecium. And what's the example of ureotalic? Mammals, terrestrial animals, cartilaginous fishes, fish. For example, shark. And some amphibians are also included in ureotalic. Some amphibians. Then what is the example of ureotalic? Birds, reptiles, and insects. Then excretory organ in animals. Next topic we'll discuss about that is excretory organ in animal. Excretory organ in animal. In amoeba, excretory organ is surface. Second is in sponge, plasma membrane of each cell. Plasma membrane of cell. Third is Cnidaria. Cnidaria, example is Hydra. Cnidaria phylum included Hydra, a same membrane of each cell. Fourth one is Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes, the excretory organ is flame cell. Annelida, phylum Annelida, the excretory organ is Nephridia. Sixth phylum is Nematohelminthes, Aschelminthes, or we can say Nematohelminthes. In Nematohelminthes, H-shaped excretory system. H-shaped excretory system, and we can say rennet cell. Seventh is Arthropoda. Arthropoda, example is most insects, Malpighian tubule. Coxial gland. Scorpion and spider, same, Malpighian tubules and coxial glands. Then eighth is Mollusca. The excretory organ is kidney or organ of Bugenus. Then phylum Echinodermata. In Echinodermata, the excretory waste is 2 feet. And 10th, Hemichordates. Yeah, you can see Hemichordata. Hemichordates, glomerulus. And 11th, that is chordata, kidney.